This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on Do Not Disturb on Facebook Messenger using an Android device. Let me jump over to my Android device here. I am on my Android device now and I have Messenger opened up. To activate Do Not Disturb on Messenger, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go up to the upper left-hand corner and tap on the 3-bar hamburger menu. Then in the upper right-hand corner, you want to tap on the little gear wheel. Then you want to go down to where it says Notifications and Sound and tap on that. And right up top here, it says On. You want to toggle this right here off. It'll ask you how long you want to mute the notifications for 15 minutes, for an hour, for 8 hours, for 24 hours. I'm going to toggle on 15 minutes. And then you just click on OK. It says my notifications are now muted till 3:13 for 15 minutes. That is how to activate Do Not Disturb on Messenger using an Android device. Thanks for watching.